Stop learning about AI. Seriously, pause for a moment and think about how much time you've spent reading, watching, and listening to the latest trends, tools, and breakthroughs. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement, but it's even easier to get stuck in a loop of endless research. It's time to stop passively consuming information about artificial intelligence. You don't need another hour-long tutorial or another deep dive into the newest algorithm. The truth is, most of us already know more than enough to get started. Stop watching another video titled Top 10 AI Tools You're Not Using. These lists are endless, and they'll keep coming. But knowing about tools isn't the same as using them to make something real. Stop bookmarking another article about the latest breakthrough. You don't need a folder full of unread links to be successful with AI. Information overload is real, and it's holding you back. The endless cycle of learning for the sake of learning is a trap. It keeps you from what truly matters: creating, building, and earning. You can spend months, even years preparing, but if you never take action, you'll never see results. The era of being impressed by AI is over. We're now in the age of application. The people who stand out today are the ones who take what they know and put it to work, not those who simply know the most facts. The value isn't in knowing what AI can do, but in using it to solve real problems. Whether it's automating a tedious task, analyzing data faster, or creating something new, the impact comes from action. Don't aim to be an expert in AI theory. Aim to be an expert in applying these tools for real outcomes. The world needs doers, not just thinkers. Start small if you have to. Pick one tool, one project, and see it through. You'll learn more by doing in a week than by reading for a month. Think of it like cooking. Reading cookbooks doesn't make you a chef. Cooking does. You have to get your hands dirty, make mistakes, and learn from them. The same is true for AI. Until you apply it, you're just an observer. Watching others succeed won't move you forward. Stop the endless consumption. It's not making you more valuable. It's just making you a more informed spectator. The real growth happens when you step out of the audience and onto the stage. The winners now aren't those who know the most tools, but those who use a few to deliver results people will pay for. It's about impact, not information. Get out of the library and into the workshop. The world is waiting for what you can build, not just what you can recite. It's time to stop learning and start doing. The future belongs to those who act, not just those who know. We've all been there, opening YouTube with the best intentions, ready to finally be productive and learn something new. Maybe you're hoping to master a new AI tool, or just looking for a quick tip to streamline your workflow. But before you know it, you get sucked into another AI tutorial, promising to change your life or revolutionize your work. You watch someone demo a tool with ease, making it look like the missing piece you've been searching for. So you sign up for a free trial, convinced this is the one that will finally make you more efficient. Then just as quickly, you're watching another video about the next must-have productivity extension, adding yet another tab to your growing collection. Hours slip by. Your browser is overflowing with bookmarks, your desktop is cluttered with shortcuts, but you haven't actually accomplished anything meaningful. This is the collector's fallacy of the AI age. Collecting tools feels productive, but it's just another form of procrastination. The more tools you collect, the more overwhelmed you feel. We convince ourselves we're upskilling, that every new tutorial is an investment in our future. But in reality, we're just avoiding the hard, sometimes uncomfortable work of actually creating something. Our folders of unused AI tools become monuments to our intentions, not our actions. Each icon is a reminder of a project never started, a skill never practiced. The flood of new tools is relentless. Every day, there's something new to try, another promise of effortless productivity. Trying to keep up feels like a full-time job with zero return. You become a curator of possibilities, endlessly organizing, categorizing, and researching, but never actually building or shipping anything of value. Watching tutorials is safe, it's comfortable, there's no risk of failure, no pressure to deliver. But building something with AI, or any tool, is risky. It means putting your ideas to the test. Recognize this pattern. It's a clever trap that keeps you busy but not productive. It's easy to fall into, but hard to escape. Tool creators and YouTubers are selling the dream of effortless productivity, feeding the illusion that the next tool will solve all your problems. But the truth is, Real success isn't effortless. It comes from picking a simple tool and actually using it to build something real, no matter how imperfect. Break the cycle, close your tabs, let go of the urge to collect just one more tool. Focus on the job that truly needs to be done, not the endless possibilities of what you could use. Stop collecting, start creating. The only way to make progress is to actually do the work. That's how you move forward, by turning intention into action, and ideas into reality. You don't get paid for knowing tools, you get paid for solving problems. No one pays you for using the latest AI, they pay for results, like increased sales or better designs. The tool is just the vehicle, the solved problem is the destination. Value is always tied to solving a pain point or fulfilling a desire. Don't focus on features, focus on outcomes. The difference between earning nothing and building a business with AI isn't tool knowledge, it's understanding the problem. Your value is in your problem-solving ability, supercharged by AI. Be a problem solver, not a tool collector. If you're stuck in the learning loop, start asking, how can AI help me solve this specific problem faster, better, or cheaper? This question shifts you from passive learning to active problem solving. Define your problem clearly. Be specific. Use AI as your assistant, not the hero. Focus on outcomes, faster, better, or cheaper. When a new tool appears, ask if it helps you solve your problem more effectively. If not, ignore it and stay focused. This filter protects your focus and ensures you use AI strategically. Make progress, not just noise. Let's get practical. Meet Sarah, a gym owner overwhelmed by business demands. She thinks AI isn't for her, but she's wrong. Sarah identifies her problems: no time for social media, weak marketing emails, and poor member retention. She uses ChatGPT to brainstorm and write a month's worth of content in minutes, and AI image generators for graphics. For marketing, she uses AI tools to rewrite emails and test versions for better results. For retention, she sets up an AI system to send personalized check-ins to members. This creates connection and accountability at scale, improving retention without extra work. By applying AI to real problems, Sarah builds a more profitable, manageable business. She's not just learning AI, she's using it to win. That's the difference. Here's a simple framework for using AI to transform your work and your business: speed, scale, and systems. Think of these as 3 levels, each building on the last, that can help you unlock more value from AI, no matter your industry or role. Level 1 is speed, using AI to do your tasks faster and boost personal productivity. This is where most people start. AI helps you write emails, summarize documents, or automate repetitive tasks, so you can get more done in less time. It saves you hours every week, freeing up your schedule for higher value work, or even just more free time. But while you're working faster, your earning potential usually stays the same, because you're still trading time for money. Level 2 is scale, using AI to do what one person couldn't, like generating dozens of blog posts, ad variations, or social media campaigns in a fraction of the time. Here, AI acts as your digital team, multiplying your output and letting you take on projects that would have been impossible alone. At this level, you operate like a team of 10. Even if you're just one person, your value increases because you can deliver more to clients or your company, and you start to stand out from the crowd. Level 3 is systems, building automated processes that create value on their own. This is where you move from being a doer to being a builder, designing workflows that run with minimal input. You become the architect, and AI is the machinery. You're not just using tools, you're creating systems that work for you, scaling your impact far beyond what you could do alone. This could be an automated retention system for a gym, an e-commerce store with AI-driven content and support, or a customer service workflow that runs 24/7. The possibilities are endless when you start thinking in systems. At the systems level, you build assets that work for you. Even when you're not working, these systems can generate revenue, insights, or value while you sleep, travel, or focus on new opportunities. That's where true wealth and freedom are created, not just by working harder, but by building smarter. With AI, you can design a life and business that gives you more choices and more time. Don't just use AI, build with it. That's the roadmap to lasting success in the age of intelligent technology. Most people stop at level 1, speed. Using AI for quick wins like faster emails or summaries. It's useful, but it's just the baseline. Moving to scale in systems requires entrepreneurial thinking and strategy. It's about identifying needs, designing processes, and integrating tools. Few people push past comfort, but that's where the real opportunity lies. The barrier isn't technical, it's mindset. Be the one who climbs higher. By 2028, prompting AI will be as basic as using Google. Everyone will know how to do it. It won't be a rare skill. The real value will be in timeless human skills, critical thinking, strategy, creativity, and taste. AI can execute, but it can't set direction or have ideas. Your value is in asking the right questions, defining problems, and making good judgments. You're the strategist. AI is your capable intern. Don't focus on being the best prompt engineer. That's temporary. Focus on being a better thinker and creator. Use AI to augment your vision and execute faster. The future belongs to those who combine human ingenuity with machine intelligence. How do you start? Don't try to revolutionize everything at once. Adopt the mantra: one problem, one offer, one system. First, pick one specific recurring problem in your work or life. Write it down, make it your target. Second, create one offer. How can you use AI to solve this problem for someone else? Package your solution as a service or product. Third, build one system, map out the step-by-step process for delivering your offer with AI. Document your prompts, templates, and workflow. This is your first repeatable, scalable process. Test it, refine it, and sell your offer. By focusing on one problem, one offer, and one system, you move from learning to earning. This is how you stop spectating and start building. The future is built by doers. Start now.